Alright, thank you so much, Mom. Alright, good everyone. Ayan, please listen to everyone else, Mom. Alright, guys, kids, again, have a happy birthday! Alright, guys, clap your hands! Alright, thank you so much, our proud mommy. Ayan.
Marami naman na, ano, bahala kami kay mama mo. Ganda ka. Ang Bits! Dito, Bits! Wish me no, dali doon! Di ba ka nanay na kanta?
Of course, good health. And, kinangantin, di pa pasaway kay mama, kay papa. I know nga, durugin ka palangga kay Tintin. Kabay pa nga, tagaan na si Mayo Walawas, ang anang mga ginikanan nila, binigit si papa na sa sakay. Kabay pa nga, tagaan si Mayo Walawas. Amo lang gito na, good health.
Hindi joke lang, joke lang. Go! 100! Joke lang, come here. Isa pa, ma'am, come here, laga ngayon. Alright, thank you so much. Okay, ready? And next item, bring me, ayan sa mga mami, siyempre may mga bags ka. Mama, open your bag or wallet. Bring me sa may mga ATM. ATM! Go! Yes, bring me a white hair. Puting ang buhok. Go! Ready guys? Bring me! Ayan, ito na. Bring me, ano ba ang ginagamit para hindi magukay ang buhok? Very good! Pussycat! Ayan, smell! Pussycat! Ayan. Very good! Go! Mag-bring sa buhok! Mag-bring sa buhok! And stop na! Your prize! Alright, stop na. Dapat paunahan na. Okay na. Please go back yung iba. Stop na. Dapat paunahan. Alright, thank you so much. Okay. Ready? Hindi mga. Alright, last item. Dapat tatlo pwede na. Ready na daw ang prices na iPhone 8. Bring me pinakagwapang mami. Lola! Pwede! Go! Kami pwede. Wala mo yun? Dito ba? Alright, iyak mo yung sakay sa bako. Lola, dito muna. Ang kiss, Lola, pag-iawak muna doon, Lola. Isa pa. Sino? Corazon. Alright, ready for this number 1. Lola, Corazon, go! This is number 1, Lola, Corazon. Lola, Corazon from Maynila. Ayan. Corazon, ayan. Okay, Lola, Corazon, dito ka muna, Lola. Okay lang? Okay, sige. Ayan. Pinagandaan, ha? Pag nakita ka si Lola Corazon, paano mag-bottle, dapat galingan mo din. Sino galing mo, ma? Girlie, ready ka? Ma'am, saan ka pupunta? Lola, gali ka. Pag nagyawak muna yung apo mo, ma'am. Papagyaw. No Tyron! Ito na kasi na yung mga Lola. Alright, kung sa number 2, Lola girl. Kung sa number 3, ma'am, nakita mo kung sa number 1, number 2. Paano mag-model, dapat na galingan mo. Okay lang. Eh ma'am, ito ma'am, hindi mo ito makakalimutan na games nito. Sino name mo, ma'am?
Florencia.
Florencia, pangalan pala, Filipina, Florencia. Ready ko din sa number 3, Lola Florencia. Go! Sabi ko, hindi mo makalilimutan ito eh. Hindi man yung prices. Okay. Ma'am, don't worry, ma'am. Ang prices na ma'am, pang patubo ni Bagang. O may yema ka. Alright, thank you so much sa mga laro, ma'am. Thank you so much. Ayan. Alright, thank you so much, Lola. Alright. Again. And this time. Alright, so mag-join. Raise your hand. Panamig namin ang mag-sound. Baby Shark. Very good. Kuya, come here. 1, 2, 3. Kato sa tunga. Alright. Very good. Kato sa tunga. Dito ba? Dito ba? Guys, wait muna, stay muna, kuya, stay muna, wag ka. Ayan. Wait muna. Alright, okay. Sige, wait muna. Alright, kuya, sige, sit down. Kuya, sit down muna, sit down. Kuya, stay ka. Okay, naga dito ka muna ha. Okay, kayong apat. Okay. Kuya, doon ka sa... Last word ka, doon ka. Okay. Kuya, anong problema? Pasarapan na to ah. Try mo. Ayan, hindi lang ubos. Ayan, may prize kayong dalawa. Okay, try mo ulit.
Happy birthday, Kristen.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kristen.
Try mo. Isa mo. Di na lang! Ano, sarap pa. Isa pa, isa pa. Happy birthday, Kirsty.
Happy birthday, Kristen.
Try mo.
Happy birthday.
Kasi di na ubos. Sige, thank you ha. Ayun, tatlo. Share kayong tatlo. Dalhin nyo, dalhin nyo.
Let's give it a shot. You and I on the court. Time to
Okay, wait mo na, kuya. Sige, sige. Sit down, kuya. Ganyan mo ka na sa akin ng prize mo, kuya. Kuya, come here. Kuya, come here. Come here. Halika muna dito. Ayan.
Taten.
May asawa. Good job. Andre, thank you so much. Kuya, ito na, pinakamagaling sumaya na. Numulan! Alright, guys. So, mag-join. Raise your hand. So, mag-join. Ayun, kuya, come here. 1. So, mag-join. Numulan. Alright, let's go, guys. Come here. Kuya, come here. Dito ka. Kuya, Ersin, mag-join ka. 1, 2, 3. Guys, come here. Ayan, mga. Pwede di kita mag-join. Sayang, walang prize, oh. Ayan, come here. Alright, so mag-join ka? Come here, kato sa mga. Si Kuya lang. Okay, ready? Kuya, dito ka. Alright, music. Ready? Dapat guys, more energy, ready? Then later on, may magic show kita guys. Ready? Siyempre mayroon. Ilan dalawa sa'yo? Ito, 20 ah. Wow. Daming prizes nga oh. Again, this time in our next game, greet us si Kirsty for longest greetings. Happy birthday, Kirsty! Sino mauna? Raise your hand. Pag mauna. Happy birthday on!
Happy birthday.
Lakasan mo ha. Okay. Guys, again kids, let's count. Happy birthday on! Lakasan mo. Bilisan mo, bilisan mo. Start na. Huwag ka manununtok. Or mananampal. Ready ka na? Start.
Happy birthday, Ann.
Palawig-lawig ka. Happy birthday, Ann! Ayan, palawig-lawig ka. Ready? Again, start.
Happy birthday, Ann.
1, 2, 3, count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Tumigil. Alright, 19 seconds. Ayan, thank you so much. Alright, what's next? Birthday on. Wala pa, wala pa. Happy birthday on! Lakasan mo. Lakasan mo. Stand straight mo na. Stand straight. Look at them. Happy birthday on. Start.
Happy birthday,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 14 seconds lang sa'yo, hindi na makaabot. Kuya, thank you ha. What's next? Let's go. Sino ba? Greet niyo si On. Kuya, ikaw na, come here. Oh, nag-raise your hand ka kanina. Okay, sige kuya, come here. Sorry, hindi ka ma-dyan. Ang price is size 20. Lakasan mo, kanina gaya ko. Lakasan mo. Lakasan mo.
Happy,
Ay ka muna kay mami mo. Hi, mom. Sige na, happy birthday on! Start.
happy birthday,
Siyempre, ikaw nanalo kuya. Ayan ha. At 5% ha. Alright, this time in our next game guys. Ayan, ito na. Para tanan maka-join. Yung hindi pa naka-join, sayang mo. Wala ka makaroon prize. Our next game, pungko-tindog lang. Parang iban maka-join man. Para easy game. Let's go guys! Come here! Ito sa tanan mga bata. Final na. Kuya, dala.
Sige, sakay ni Papa na.
4, 5. Siyempre, ikaw na ko. Ang ilang ha, dami ka ng prize ha. Guys, say bye! Alright. Ready guys? Closer, please. Closer. Okay, ready? Sorry, nakalimutan. Okay, ready? Nasa na, pumutindog na to. Ito na, ready? Puko! Nag-loading. Nag-sit down mo na. Ito na. Sige. Guys, wala pa! Puko! Ay, naubos out. Wala orange prize. Okay. Alright, ready na? Guys, Puko! Tindog. Dapat more energy. Tindog. 1, 2, 3. Wala kita. Kahit isa ha. Kahit isa lang. Okay, ready. Pungko. Hep! Sorry. Okay, ito na. Closer, please. Ito na ha. Final na. Hep! Alright guys, closer, please.
hooray!
Hep!
Hooray!
Walang hooray. You're out. May diet ha. Okay, joke lang. Hep!
Hooray!
Very good. Hooray!
Hep!
Very good. Hep! Okay, sige. Out na siya. Hep!
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hep!
You're out. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, dito na. Closer, please, kuya. Ready? Hep, hooray. Again. Hep!
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hep!
Very good. Hooray! Hep!
Hooray!
Sige, thank you so much, kuya. Okay. Siyempre, nanalo. Palalagyan mo ng tubig, ha? Hindi joke lang.
Back at it again with the jump shot. I'm aiming for you and I won't stop. Back at it again with the jump shot. You can lock it down on
Okay,
me.
thank you so much, kuya. Alright, guys, again. Hep! Sino gusto maglaan ng magic? Hooray! Oh, tara na.
Time to get on the clock.
Joke lang.
Baby, I'ma try to
Joke
show
lang.
up.
Okay, ito na, ready number this celebrant. Ayan, syempre, wait mo na again. This time in our last game. May last game kita guys para easy game ito. It's animal sound. Okay, chicken. Ang lagi mo Again, go. Chicken. Ito na guys final na. Okay? Trials lang yun. Ito na. Pahirapan na. Ready? Go! Chicken. Chicken Again, chicken. Pig. Ano, train? Train. Okay, sige. Chicken. 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 Ma! Mama yun, parang ano mo. Abig si mama mo. Goat. Goat. Look at them. Snake. Pig. 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 Sila. Snake. Chicken. Again. Chicken. Ano yung chicken mo kanina? Again. Chicken. Dog. Cat. Alright, good morning. Thank you so much, guys. Again. Again. Ang kakanta na solo sa ako nga. Everyone, one more time, faster. Ready? Diba? Si Christine sa center, wait mo na, kuya, join ka mo. Okay. Kuya. Classmate ka? Lipat sa... Classmate ka po hindi. Sige, okay lang. Makalimutan.
Pagkisan sa amang dilim. Ubayin sa taong ginawa nakahatag sa puserbo panilangin sa aming lawas. At ang nagprovide, ubayin ng Ginoo na matalaw-taw na sa taong ginong nga panahon. Ikaw ginawa mo na paligan at natuhan sa naman ni Cristo Jesus na mga personal na sa aming kabuhi. Amen. Sa mga sa mga sa aming Espiritu sa aming.
Okay, thank you so much. Once again, sir, mama, wait muna. May announce lang kita. The food is ready na mga mamis. Please, ma...
Happy birthday song!
In the
Tinlaga ni Anera, tinlaga ni Anera. Dia.
Siapa di tim sanit nga?
sumata. Sumata. Yeah. Cute ang mata. Bitsak.
I-video mo gid kami para makita kami nga nag-attend kami.
Today, part 1.
Grabe, kami ang spaghetti. Kita agad.
This year, you're a lucky kid.
Okay? Sige. Christine, lesson Christine.
This year is your birthday.
Alright. Ayun, girls. Stay muna pag
I wish you the best birthday was the second excited by the present one. And then you let it and let your whole life become a
Alright, thank you so much, Rihanna. Please join us muna. And followed by...
happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay? Alright, sige. Join ka muna rin. Ayan, si Camille Reese. Ayan. And again, followed by Ansel James. Ayan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Boss naman. Sige. Thank you so much. Ansel James. And again, followed by Leon Natalie. Sophia. Ayan, react na lang kay Lian. Sophia. Ayan, Sophia. Okay, sige. Greet ka kay Christine. Happy birthday, Christine. Christine. Good health. More blessings to come. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much, Sophie. Alright, picture ka muna. Alright, kids, again! Hep, hep! Are you ready to watch magic show? Yes. Sa magawa ng magic, transfer kit.
But I do need your time. Every day yours, I'd rather have none.
Stand up muna, stand up, stand up.
Want you to tell me why for
Guys, again, please hold them wide. Isol.
fortune just begun. You got me jumping like.
Mga pamaroon, ibang ko kayan. Ay, hindi lang siya parang malantaw siya parang.
Need a telescope to see that you're the one. But I don't need time. Every day yours, I'd rather have.
Alright, here we go, guys. Again, clap your hands. Ready? Watch. Okay, what's... Sino gusto 1,000? Raise your hand. Wow. Say 1,000! Yeah. Alright guys, clap your hands. Ayan, sabi ko, magbibigay tayo ng money. Sino gusto 1,000? Alright, walang tulugan ha! 1,000! Alright, again, clap your hands. Ready? Alright guys, this time yung magician gumagamit ng dove. Sino gusto dove? Raise your hand. Okay, ready? Say dove! Okay, dove. Ready? Here we go, dove. Dove, oh. Guys, clap your hands. Dove. Okay, guys, clap your hands. And Thursday, ready? Once I drink the smell. I'm thirsty. Ready? What's closing, guys? Closing. Watch. Alright, again, clap your hands. Watch. And drink the smell again. There we go. Ready? Watch. Alright, again. Clap your hands. Siyempre si Kirsty is birthday today. Gusto ko si Kirsty mag-blow. Okay. Wow. Guys, clap your hands. Ano what color? Green. Watch. Watch. Guys, again, clap your hands. Watch. Guys, again, clap your hands. One, guys, please. What letter? Very good. And this one? And what is this? Very good. Punta ko sa letter? A. This one? Okay, where's my CD? A or B? Louder! A or B, louder. Again. Sure? Okay, again, remember, again, just one. Double. Where's my CD? A or B? Louder. Again. Sure? Alright. Again, remember, just one. Double, guys. Where's my CD? A or B? Again. Again, where's my CD? Nawala na. Alright, watch. Guys, again, clap your hands. Alright, ready? There we go, guys. Alright, clap your hands. Count. 1, 2. Wow. 3, 4. Watch. 5, 6. Third up may surprise kay Manny. Okay, gusto ko si Tita daw ako mag-volunteer. Tita na ako, dito. Ito na. Maro, seryoso na. Ito na, last na to. Wala or to? Wait mo yung mic. Last na to. Ito na, last na to. Wala or to? Wala. Hindi mo natin. Again, wala or to? Isa lang. Wala na sa to. Malilito ka kasi dalawa yung bola. Ay, ito na. Ma'am, ito ha. Guys, dito ka muna ma'am. Look at them. Mag-isip ka ma'am, isang bagay lang. mag-dial ka. Ito, ATM machine. Sige, isipin ko ano yung number mo. Sige.
Tit, 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 tit.
Dami nun ah! 6 lang yan eh! Walo na! Alright, sige. Sige ma'am. Number mo.
Tit, tit, tit.
Akin na! Alamin ko yung anong number mo lumabas sa machine. Itong lumabas sa machine. Tama? Itong lumabas sa machine ha. Okay, dali ibang magic na lang ma'am. Sige. This time dito ko ma'am. Ma'am Lako, ito na. Makount ko 1, 2, 3. Gagamitin mo yung mic. Mag-blow ka. Sample. Ako lang hawak ng mic. Mag-blow. Lakasan mo. Wow, balit siya. Nang lakas. Joke lang. Joke lang. Okay, ma'am Lako, ready na mo kami. 1, 2, 3. Lakasan mo. Remember guys, pag may bullet may extra prize. Bilisan mo. Bilisan? Kamamay mo ganit. Go na. Dito sa kabila. Go na. Guys, again, remember pag may bullet may extra prize. Bilisan mo. Lakasan mo. 3, 4 times, may mabilisan. 4. Lakasan mo. Lakasan mo. Oh, kiss ka na. Ang una yung mic. Guys, ayan yung magic wand ko later on nagiging snake ito. Guys, what? Yung ma'am, ready? 1! Magiging snake yan. Ang laki mo, pare. Wag yung hihino yan. Tumakbo. Sila na. Guys, again, clap your hands. Ayan. Bigay yan ay makulit na 1,100 mo, mama. Watch. Ayaw ng 100 ko. Ito na. Watch. Siyempre, pag may volunteer daw, may prize. Asan na yung 1,000 ko? Wait muna, sino gusto 20? Wait muna. Asan na yun? Asan na? Wait, sit down muna. Sit down. Okay, wait muna si Kirsten mauna. Guys, sit down muna. Sit down. Asan na? Ito na. Wow! Kasi iba muna mag may volunteer, may extra. Sino gusto money? Ayan. Sino ba? Dapat wait muna. Sige ba? Guys, again, love your hands. Kinita niya na po. Thank you so much. Make sure makita slim na siya. Mama June. Sige, this time. Isa pa. Ayan, sino gusto na picture? Ayun, ito na.